Today I'm going to show you how to work with freezer paper. Here is freezer paper that is meant for printing, directly printing. It's in nice sheets. This is a new European standard, so it is a A4 sheet. Other freezer paper that I can purchase in our country is this one. This is in a roll, and you can't use it directly in printer, but I will show you how you can accommodate. Okay. I printed out one sheet from my tutorial. This is for tulips, and I'm going to cut this width approximately. Something like this. Now this is a bit too wide. I want to print out these smaller pieces. So I'm going to, this will be better. Okay. Position freezer paper here and put a bit of tape on both sides. As I told you before, I taped this freezer paper on plain paper with tapes on both sides, and I put this in the printer and print it again. Okay, so I'm going to remove this. And this way I have printed designs on the freezer paper that comes in a roll and that I wouldn't be able otherwise to print directly. But if you can purchase the freezer paper that comes in the sheets, because it's a game changer. Just you can put it directly in the printer, print designs on this paper, cut it out, iron, work further with it. Okay. Another method for how to transfer designs on freezer paper is this one. Take a pen, freezer paper, put it on the print out designs. Freezer paper is semi-transparent, so you can see the designs through, and just draw it. This template is for the daffodil. if you work with the freezer paper from the roll, it's a bit more difficult because it rolls together, but a bit of tape will help to put the paper. Okay, this type of freezer paper is a bit less transparent, but it's still enough to see the motif. But if you have possibility of a printer, just print it out. This is a bigger egg shape. Voila. Remove the tape. Okay, now I have the designs on the freezer paper and I'm going to cut it out. There is a possibility for first iron freezer paper on the felt, cut it out together with freezer paper ironed on the felt, but I prefer cutting the designs first because I get a better result, especially on some more delicate pieces. What you need? Good sharp scissors as always. Now we are going to iron these pieces on a wood felt. Choose a temperature suitable for wool. it is sticked. Great. Now, when you cut out, go with scissors as close to the border of the freezer paper that is ironed on the felt. I'm either working with pure wool felt this two, or with American wool blend felt. I don't have experience with other types of felt, so please have in mind that it may not work the same on other felt qualities with other types of material. Okay. And now this is how it goes off. You can reuse it, these pieces, for, I don't know, 5 times at least, sometimes 10 times, it depends. The freezer paper that comes in sheets is a little bit stronger than the freezer paper from the roll, so it sometimes sticks a bit too hard, but can be usually reusable more times than the one from the roll. But that's really minor differences. Both work fantastic. So now the smaller pieces. Carefully cut out close to where the border of freezer paper ends. If you wonder what kind of scissors I am using, I will put in the comments a link. These are shorter, really handy Fiskars scissors, about 13 centimeters long. I'm just used to this size of scissors. There are crafters that use bigger scissors, but make sure you have a really quality scissors to make nice clean cuts. And more or with same importance, make sure you use a quality wool felt or wool blend felt. Believe me, it's such a difference. Okay, now little hands. Oops. Okay. Now, just pull it off. And the head. Head will goes here. It's slightly larger than the basic, and the 2 hands. Here are the pieces for the little bunny. Voila!